If you have ever thought about making videos without showing your face,
Sorry, I'm a faceless corporation now.
you've probably heard of Pictory AI, especially if you've seen those faceless-style YouTube videos. Maybe you visited their website but felt lost. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how Pictory works, step by step, taking you from a basic idea to a finished video, even if you've never edited before. In 2025, new AI tools can feel overwhelming. Some are powerful but also complex and confusing. Pictory is different. It's designed for quick, professional-looking videos without needing editing experience. If you've been unsure where to start, this tutorial will show you what to expect, how to begin, and why so many people stick with Pictory even after trying more advanced tools. Let's dive into how it works. Getting started with Pictory. Once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard where every video project starts. There are 6 main options, each for a different kind of video task. Whether you have a script, a blog post, a PowerPoint, or just an idea, there's a simple path for you, and it's super easy to use. Let me quickly explain each option.
We're moving very quickly.
Text to video. This is very popular. Just paste your script for a YouTube video, an explainer, or a voiceover, and Pictory automatically turns it into a full video with scenes, pictures, music, and more. If you don't have a script, a helpful AI tool can even write one for you based on your topic. You can also find other great AI tools I use to write human-sounding scripts for my channel here, in my free community. You can find it by clicking the first link in the video description. Let's continue with other options to create a video with Pictory. URL to video. Turn any article or blog post into a video. Simply copy the link, paste it in, choose your video style, and Pictory handles the rest. AI video editing. Perfect if you already have a video, like a Zoom meeting, podcast, or recorded talk. Drag and drop your video, and the AI will transcribe everything said. From there, you can easily remove pauses, cut silent parts, add captions, brand it with your logo, and even split one long video into many short ones for social media.
I love to take social media breaks.
It's really that simple. Images to video. Transform your pictures and short clips into a slideshow video. Upload your files, and Pictory helps you organize them. Add music, text, and transitions to tell a visual story in just a few clicks. PowerPoint to video. Convert your existing presentations or slideshows into shareable videos. Upload your PowerPoint file and Pictory turns the slides into a video. You can add voiceovers, music, and transitions to make it more dynamic, repurposing content you've already made. Recording. Pictory has a built-in screen and webcam recorder. Record yourself, your screen, or both. Editing is simple. Fix things by editing the text transcript, remove long pauses, add captions, and brand your video easily. You can even create highlight clips automatically. It's everything you need for professional video without confusing tools. The Pictory workflow. From script to finished video. Each of these 6 tools is useful, but Pictory's real strength is how easy it makes the whole process, no matter your starting point.
That was easy.
It provides everything you need to create polished, professional-looking videos fast, whether you're new to video or just tired of complicated software. Let's look at the text-to-video process in detail. Paste your script. The first step is simple. Paste your video script into the text box. You can also write it from scratch here. No need for fancy formatting. Each sentence will become its own scene later. Automatic scene splitting. Pictory scans your script and automatically splits it into scenes, usually one sentence or thought per scene. This is important because each scene gets its own background video, text overlay, and animation. It's like automatic storyboarding. Storyboard view and visuals. You'll land in the storyboard view, your main workspace. One of Pictory's best features is its AI, which automatically assigns relevant visuals to each scene from a huge stock footage and image library. For example, if your script says, "We help restaurants grow," Pictory might show a chef or a busy dining room.
I'd say it's very relevant right now.
If a visual doesn't fit, you can click on it, search manually in the Visuals tab, or upload your own videos or images. Refine on-screen text. Your script will be overlaid on each video, and every piece of text is fully editable. Click to change wording, fix punctuation, or shorten it. You can also move it, resize it, or change its style. A cool feature lets you highlight keywords, which will be emphasized with animations or color to make key points stand out. Pictory also offers text animations for dynamic captions, especially useful for social media. Add voiceovers. This is where your script comes alive. You have 3 options. Use one of Pictory's AI voices, surprisingly realistic male and female voices with various accents. Upload your own recording, or record directly in the editor. Once an AI voice is selected, it will read your script scene by scene. You can adjust the script or pacing per scene if needed. If you're using your own voice, syncing is easy. Add background music. Pictory has a full royalty-free music library organized by genre and mood.
I love that song. That's so beautiful.
Choose a track, and it will play underneath your voiceover. You can adjust the volume of both the voiceover and music independently to ensure your message is clear. Branding. Click the Branding tab to upload your logo as a watermark, set your brand colors for text, buttons, highlights, and choose a custom font. This keeps your visuals consistent across multiple videos without starting from scratch. Final steps and beyond. Once everything looks and sounds good, preview your full video. This lets you see the flow, alignment of voice and music, and if anything feels off. Make any final tweaks, then click Generate Video. You can choose to burn in captions, making them part of the video, or export a separate subtitle file, like SRT for YouTube. After rendering, you can download, publish directly, or repurpose it for other platforms. If you use any of the other options besides text to video, the process is essentially the same. No matter your starting point, everything comes together in Pictory's intuitive editing dashboard.
Yeah, I like it.
Why choose Pictory? Whether you're a content creator aiming for more posts, a business educating customers without an editor, a coach building authority, or just someone who hates complicated video tools, Pictory lets you create, edit, and publish high-converting videos without any editing experience. If you're ready to try Pictory, check out the link in the description. It's free to sign up and start experimenting. You can follow along with everything I showed you and see how it fits your workflow. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, which I recommend if you're serious about consistent video publishing, use my link in the description and use code FFTU20 at checkout. This saves you 20% every month for as long as you use Pictory. I've used the paid version for over a year, and it's more than paid for itself in time saved and content produced. Now that you know how to make videos with Pictory, it's time to monetize them.
Money?
Join my free community to learn how to do it in 30 days. You can find the link in the description. If you have any questions about using Pictory or get stuck, drop a comment below. I will do my best to respond and help. I hope this walkthrough gave you the clarity you needed to finally dive in and start using Pictory. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.